Good morning, children. Today, let us take worksheet number 4 in our English literature. It is from workbook. The title of the chapter is Tom Whitewashes the Fence. Tom whitewashes the fence. It is worksheet number 4, and it is a league lesson from the chapter Gopi and Bagha. My dear children, we know Gopi and Bagha were singer as well as drummer. See, Gopi was a singer and Bagha was a drum player. And we know a story about them. See, towards the end, we see both of them are coming out of the jungle and they are walking on the path. And then, after meeting, they become friend, and then they go to the king's palace to sing and play music for the king. So at the end they became a good friend. Similarly, here in this particular chapter we have how many characters? You see, there is a boy called Tom, and his cousin is there. Then Aunt Polly is there. Then Ben Rogers. Ben Rogers is a friend of Tom. Tom and Ben Rogers are friends. And then we will see here in this particular chapter that how this Tom is not allowed to go out and play with his friends unless and until he completes his work. So this Aunt Polly has given work for Tom to whitewash the fence. But then without completing, he cannot go for games or play. So Ben Roger comes there and he helps Tom to complete the work. And then we see they are very happy, or especially Aunt Polly is very happy to see the work done. So my dear children, now I am straight reading the chapter, page number 27. Workbook, page number 27. Today I will read the text. Tom whitewashes the fence. It was a warm, bright Sunday. Tom and his cousin Sid had a holiday. His name is Sid. It was a day to enjoy, a day to have fun. Tom could hear the birds chirping in the trees. He was in a cheerful mood and was planning to go swimming with his friends. He thought of the cool water longingly. What a great time they could have. Just then he heard Aunt Polly's voice. Tom, where are you? Coming, Aunt Polly, said Tom and rushed to his aunt's room. I want you to whitewash the fence today, Aunt Polly said. Next paragraph. But we were planning to go swimming, Tom started, but he was not allowed to finish his sentence. Next paragraph. You cannot go anywhere till you finish the whitewashing, Aunt Polly said and walked out of the room. Next paragraph. Tom came out of the house sadly with a long brush and a bucket full of whitewash in the other. He looked at the fence in dismay. How high the fence is! How long it is! Thought Tom. Tom dipped his brush in the whitewash and drew it slowly across the fence. It made a small white mark. Tom sat down near the fence. It looked as though it would take a whole day and perhaps even the night to finish the work. Turn the page. Page number 28. After some time, Tom saw his friend Ben Rogers coming along the street. A brilliant idea came to his mind. Tom was very clever at getting what he wanted. He pretended not to see Ben, who was eating a juicy red apple. Ben came up to Tom and was surprised to see him working. I am going for a swim, but you can't come. Can you? You are working. Next paragraph. This isn't work, said Tom. Whitewashing is fun. You have never whitewashed a fence, have you? No, I haven't. Let me whitewash a little, Tom. Oh no, I have promised Aunt Polly that I will do it myself. She will not trust anyone else to do it. Sid wanted to do it, but she would not allow him. I shan't make a mistake. I will be cheerful. Here, you can take my apple if you like. Please let me do it, Tom. Last paragraph. He now had been begging for a fence, begging for a chance to whitewash the fence. He handed the brush to Ben slowly and sat down to eat the delicious apple while his friend worked in the hot sun. Other boys came along to paint the fence. Before the afternoon was over, the fence had 3 coats of whitewash on it. Aunt Polly was delighted to see the fence looking so spotlessly white. She couldn't believe that Tom had whitewashed the fence all by himself. So, dear children, this particular story I will explain in my next class. Here I wind up my class. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.